In this video, I will show you how to add Dynamic AJAX Product Filters to your shop sidebar. We will cover two methods using Widgets and Elementor. Let's start with the widget method. First, go to your dashboard. From left menu, click Appearance, then select Widget. Now locate the WooCommerce sidebar. Click the plus icon to add a new block. In the search box, type Dynamic AJAX. This is our Dynamic AJAX Product Filter plugin. Click on it to add the filter. Now click Update to save your changes. That's it. If you visit your shop page now, you will see the filter added to your sidebar. Now let's add our Dynamic AJAX Product Filter using Elementor on the Archive Pages sidebar. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Templates, then click Theme Builder. Here select Product Archive. Click the plus icon to create a new Product Archive template. Now click the plus icon to choose the layout structure that fits your design. On the right column, click the plus icon. Now search for Archive Products. Then drag and drop it into the layout to display your products. Now again click the plus icon on the left column. Search for Dynamic AJAX. Drag and drop Dynamic AJAX Product Filter into the left column sidebar. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Now click Add Condition. You will see Include all product archive already selected. Now click Save and Close. That's it. Our filter is now added to all product archive pages. Let's visit the shop page and reload it. As you can see, the Dynamic AJAX Product Filter is now active. So that's how you can add Dynamic AJAX Product Filters to your shop sidebar using Widget and Elementor.